Hello, good morning students. Today's topic is here sexually transmitted diseases. Okay, its other name venerable diseases or infectious diseases. Okay, its short name is STD diseases. Okay, so these diseases are transferred from one person to the another person by the sexual intercourse. Sexual intercourse if the person is not use barrier method. If the person is not use barrier method, then these diseases transfer from infected person to the healthy person by the sexual intercourse or sharing of the needles or also contaminated blood. Okay, so this high risk of this disease causes in the adult person like 15 to 24 years are the persons. Okay, so this disease caused by the many pathogens like the bacteria, viruses and parasite. Now, STD diseases are caused by the bacteria, viruses and parasite. Up to today, near about 30 diseases are discovered. 30 diseases are discovered. Out of 30 diseases, 8 diseases are more effective diseases and which causes the more problem in the persons. Okay, 8 diseases causes more problem in the person, or 4 out of 8 diseases are the curable diseases. 4 diseases are the curable diseases and other 4 diseases are the not curable diseases. So curable diseases are syphilis. After this topic we explain one disease in a detail. Syphilis, gonorrhea. Okay, gonorrhea or gonorrhea and chlamydia disease, we write here chlamydia disease. Okay, and next this is a trichomoniasis. Okay, so these 4 diseases are the curable diseases. One is a syphilis disease, second is a gonorrhea disease, third is a chlamydia disease and fourth is a trichomoniasis disease. Clear? Now, some diseases are the not curable diseases. These non-curable diseases are the HIV. HIV is a not curable disease. Okay, herpes simplex, herp disease. One is a herp disease. Hepatitis B disease. Hepatitis B disease. Okay, hepatitis B disease or HPV disease. So these diseases are the not curable diseases. These diseases are caused by the viruses. Okay, so these diseases are the not curable diseases. Okay, hello, now we discuss the first sexually transmitted disease which is syphilis. Okay, so syphilis disease is a curable disease. Okay, first we see here this is a curable disease. Okay, treatment is present for this disease. Okay, so this disease is caused by the this disease is a bacterial disease. Okay, so this disease is caused by an bacteria. This bacteria name is a Treponema pallidum. Okay, so this is a bacterial disease and this disease is caused by the Treponema pallidum. Okay, when you write this name of the bacteria with the underline. Okay, so this disease on the external genitalia, a violet color. Okay, violet color or round shape structure, violet or round shape structure is formed. Violet colored or round shape structure is formed on the external genitalia by the scratch or wound, or we can say hair removal. Okay, so by this activity or this type by this way, a violet color or round shape structure is formed on the external genitalia. Okay, so first sign of the syphilis. First sign of the syphilis is a small. First sign of the syphilis is small and painless sore. But when it not be treated on a long time, okay, when we not treated this disease at a long time, then this disease make a knot like structure, in their blood vessels and nervous system, which causes major damage of the important organ like the heart and cancer. Okay, like the heart and cancer disease, heart disease or cancer diseases. So this disease can appear on the sexual organ like the rectum and inside the mouth also. Okay, inside the mouth also. So this disease is a curable disease. So this disease can be treated by the some antibiotics like the tetracycline or penicillium. Okay, so this disease is a curable disease. So this disease can be treated with some antibiotics like the tetracycline and penicillin. Okay. Hello. Now we discuss the next disease of the sexual transmitted disease. So next sexually transmitted disease is the gonorrhea. Okay. So this gonorrhea disease is caused by the and bacterium. So this bacteria name is a Neisseria gonorrhea. Okay, Neisseria gonorrhea. Clear here? So bacteria of this disease lives in the urethra of male and female. Urethra help in passing the urine. Okay, so in this urethra, bacteria of this disease lives. Okay, so infected person of this disease feel burning sensation during the urination time. They feel burning sensation. Okay, this disease also affect the prostate gland. So this prostate gland only present in the male. Okay, this disease also affect the prostate gland, which is present in the male, and epididymis also. Epididymis is the more coiled structure which is located on the posterior part of the testis, which store the sperm. Okay, when not treated when we not treated this disease for a long time, then this disease can be create problem in prostate gland or epididymis. Okay, these are the glands. The prostate is a gland, or epididymis is a more coiled structure which is present on the posterior part of the testis, and it stores the sperm. Okay, this diseases also can be treated by the following antibiotics like the penicillin, tetracycline. So that type of antibiotics are beneficial for this disease. Okay, next disease, chlamydia disease. Chlamydia disease is also caused by the bacteria. Okay, this is the bacteria name, Chlamydia trichomatis. Okay, Chlamydia trichomatis is the bacteria which causes the chlamydia disease, or chlamydia is a sexually transmitted disease. Okay, so in this disease, person feeling burning. In this disease also, person feeling burning sensation during the releasing of urine and other fluids. When the person release urine, then also feel burning sensation, and during the releasing of other fluid means the semen. Okay, so then also feel burning sensation. Okay, infection of this disease causes the urethritis or epididymis disease. Means if the infection occur in the urethra, so this when more infection occur in the urethra, so it causes a disease. This disease name is the urethritis. Okay, urethritis, and when its infection more occur in the epididymis, so this disease is called the epididymitis. Okay, it can be treated by tricycline. It can be treated by tricycline or deoxycycline antibiotic. Okay, so this disease is also curable disease, which is a chlamydia disease. Okay, now we discuss the next disease, which is protozoans disease. Okay, protozoans disease, this is a protozoans disease. Now protozoans disease is a trichomoniasis. Okay, so this disease is caused by the Trichomonas vaginalis. Okay, this disease is caused by the Trichomonas vaginalis. Clear here? Now pathogen of this disease, pathogen of this disease means protozoan is an protozoan is an organism which lives in the urethra of male and vagina of the female. Okay, in the parasite form, it lives in the urethra of the male and vagina of the female in parasite form. Okay, infected persons, the person which is affected by this disease. Okay, so in this person bad smells come from the vagina. Okay, in female bad smells come from the vagina of the infected female and itching in their vulva part. Vulva part means the whole structure, all parts of the external genitalia, okay, are called the vulva part. So the person which is affected from this disease, that person's vagina come a bad smell, that person's vaginas come a bad smell and causes itching in their vulva part. Okay, and in a female and in a male it causes pain, and in a male it causes pain during the urination time. Okay, so today I completed the bacterial diseases and protozoans diseases.